I reached a country that is tinier than Belgium, but it has as many inhabitants as Australia. Can you guess where I am? Taipei City is situated in Taipei Basin in the northern Taiwan, a far eastern island state between the Chiang Sea and the Pacific Ocean. It's a relatively small island but with more than 24 million inhabitants. Mandarin Chinese is the official language. English, it's a bit of a challenge. Okay, so I wanna go here. No worry, you can reach Taipei by metro or bus. Those two are relatively cheap, around 5 euros. Bus stop, you are not allowed to smoke. Very interesting choice. Taxi is a bit more, 50 euros. Best time to visit spring from March to May and autumn from September to November. Offer pleasant weather, while the summer month can be hot and humid. Currency, New Taipei dollars. But let's dive into this vibrant city and explore what it can offer. One of the icons of this city is certainly Skyscraper 101. This building embodies innovation, elegance, and a breathtaking view. This iconic skyscraper isn't just a landmark, it's a symbol of Taiwan's economical and technological prowess. Was completed in 2004, it stood as the tallest building in the world for 5 years. Blends modern marble with the ancient pagoda spirit. Taipei 101 isn't just about aesthetic, it's a pioneer in sustainable design. Green giant, saving energy and water in the city. But Taipei 101 is not just a building, it's an experience. I'm inside the 101. If you're planning to go, you have to go inside, turn left, get to the 5th floor, and then in there is like a ticket office, and you can spend 28 euros to go on the top. Go ahead to get a ticket at the 5th floor. Now the door should be open. Get the ticket to go to the 101. I guess you can pay by card. One to go to the top.
Stay here.
Yeah, from here is fine. How much is it?
$600.
Can I pay by card?
Yeah.
What time is my slot? Take a thrilling ride up to the world's fastest elevator to the observation deck and witness the breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The views from up here is simply phenomenal. You can see for miles and it really gives you a sense of the city vastness and energy. Taipei 101 sways safely with the biggest pendulum, a giant weight keeping it steady in earthquake. Once you're done with the 101, get lost at the mall nearby. Bye bye 101. Not far from the 101 there is a trek called Elephant Mountain. It's about an hour and a half. Highly advised, as from the top you can enjoy a wonderful view. It's a free charge, although isn't as easy as I thought. Chiang hiking trail, 2 minutes, 150 meters. Hello. I'm here. I'm gonna go up here, do all the hiking all the way around. Not sure if I can make it. And let's go. Good things. Most of the time you will be in the shadow, so that is a good thing. But there's a lot of stairs, quite tiring. but the stairs are extremely irregular and tiring. The problem is, if you stop, there are a load of mosquitoes, so I won't really suggest to stop. To get to the top, it takes like 15 minutes with few breaks. Yeah, watch out when you stop, there are a lot of mosquitoes. Yeah, when you get to the top, if you carry on, there is another way. So I suggest you no coming back when you reach the top. Carry on and finish your tour. It might a little bit longer, but it's worth it. Look at this. We are in the middle of the nature, and yeah, you're not gonna see, but there are like skyscraper after the trees. We are in a jungle in this side, but just right there are like buildings, including the 101. A crack in the rock. To get out of Elephant Park is not as easy as I thought. It's a little bit of a maze. Find the way to go, which is this way. It was a nice walk. Technically, if you do in the morning, it's way better, but I didn't. Iced coffee. I think we're gonna go to the memorial. That's the memorial. It looks amazing. I'm gonna tell you the story about the memorial in a bit. It's quite interesting. But now my mouth, it's a little bit dry. Chiang KaiShek's Memorial Hall is a famous landmark located in Taipei, Taiwan. It was built in honor of Chiang KaiShek, the former president of the Republic of China. The Memorial Hall is surrounded by beautiful gardens and features an impressive blue and white octagonal pavilion. At the center of the pavilion stands a bronze statue of Chiang KaiShek, surrounded by 89 steps which symbolize his age and the time of his death. The Memorial Hall is a popular tourist destination and is often visited by people from all over the world. The hall is open to public and offers guided tours. One of the most striking features of the Memorial Hall is the changing of the guard ceremony, which takes place every hour. It is a popular attraction for visitors and is a testament of the strong military tradition of Taiwan. Overall, Chiang KaiShek's Memorial is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Taipei. Its beautiful architecture and rich history make it a unique and memorable experience. Taipei is plenty of those machines. We actually not really using it, but everywhere you go here in Taipei, you can find this sort of game shop. Louis Vuitton as well. Not sure if it's true. It's probably a fake. Games. Games. Every type of games. You can play a djembe, a drum, and in the meantime they're gonna get some money from you. Yeah, this is Roca Night Market Street, something amazing. You should come here. You're gonna get lost, you're not gonna be able to get everything, so if you have time, come here every night and get some food. Rauhe Street Night Market. It's a bustling night market located in the Songshan district of Taipei. It's a popular destination for both local and tourists, offering a vibrant atmosphere and diverse range of delicious food and interesting finds. Established in 1910, it's one of the oldest night markets in Taipei, stretching for about 600 meters. This night market is a must visit for anyone seeking a taste of Taiwanese culture. Be prepared for the crowd and come ready to explore the vibrant sights and smell of this unique night market experience. We're gonna get the squid, fried squid, for 150. No, it's fine. Thank you. Keep in mind, if you are looking for street food, Taipei has many markets, and the food is pretty good everywhere you go. But let's move on with my favorite temples in Taipei. First, the Longdongbao Temple is a Taiwanese folk religion temple located in the Dantong district of Taipei. The temple is open daily from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's free admission. Second, Xinshan Temple, standing tall in the heart of Taipei's Zhongshan district, attracts visitors for its unique blend of traditional, cultural significance and architectural beauty. It's a free admission and it's open daily. Third, Songshai Siu Temple, a historical event in Taipei, nestled in the vibrant Songshan district of Taipei. Established in the 1753, is not just a place of worship, it's a cultural landmark steeped in history and the local life. It's a free admission and open daily. This temple is one of the best I ever seen. It's actually better than the one that I saw in Sri Lanka long time ago. The details are so accurate. Well, it's also very quiet. Also Nama Buddha in Nepali was really good. 4. Longshan Temple, unlike many temples, dedicated to one specific deity. It houses statues of various Buddhist, Taoist and folk deities. It's a free admission and open daily. And now let's look at few parks that is worth it to check it out. First, 228 Peace Memorial Park. It's a historic site and municipal park located in Taipei. It serves as a memorial to the victim of the February 28 incident, a bloody uprising against the Kuomintang government that took place in the 1947. The 228 Peace Memorial Park is a popular spot for locals and tourists. Second, Dan Forest Park, also known as a Daran Park. It's a public park situated in the heart of Daran district. Established in the 1994, the park occupied an area of 26 hectares and acts as a green haven in the bustling city. This place belonged to the things that pointed out because I thought it was worth it. It's just an ordinary park, I guess. There's nothing really going on. Taipei boasts an amazing public transit system, the MRT Mass Rapid Transit. It's clean, efficient and affordable. Moving in Taiwan isn't a problem. Underground, transportation, taxi, anything working very well. Now I'm heading to the underground to making like a daily travel card. Good morning. I need to make like a daily travel card. Just made a daily travel card is 150 and I guess I have to go here. Download the EasyCard app for convenient fare payment. Buses are also affordable. On the other hand, taxis are pretty expensive. The accommodation might also be a little outside the average price, but still not too expensive. Venture beyond the tourist trail, explore hidden streets and alleys, discover charming local cafe, and visit historical temple tucked away in peaceful corner. Buon appetito! I just got this one, it is called a Yogiao, like an appetizer, a snack. I'm starving. Taipei isn't just a city, it's a playground for your senses. So, come hungry, come curious. I have no idea what is this. Wasn't too good. And come ready to experience the delicious adventure that Taipei local food scene. If you are considering a trip to Taipei, I highly recommend it. And for those who have already been, share your experience and favorite spots in the comments down below. Let's keep the conversation about Taipei going. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you soon, folk! Io me ne andrei, na na na.